Hey, what's up? You. It's your girl, Brianna. I know I'm cringy, whatever. I know I post a lot. I don't even know subscribers yet. Blue, Destiny. Anybody want to freaking subscribe to my account? Go ahead. But today I'm going to be doing a room tour, as you guys can see. I filmed a whole 17-minute video of me doing a house tour or apartment tour, and bro, it said that it didn't verify my account. It didn't really accept the whole 17 minutes. I was like, what are you talking about? Like, are you really kidding me right now? So I can't do that. But I'm gonna do a room tour. So YouTube, I'm gonna go up with ideas. I know I couldn't do a house tour. It's okay. Like, I don't care. I'm probably not gonna do it again because I don't feel like filming that much again. But yeah, I don't feel like filming that much again. Period. I don't know. So if y'all want to go subscribe to me, just click it down below. And if y'all want to play with me on Fortnite, I will put my name down below. So, and yes, I do film on my laptop. Don't judge. I would film on my phone, but I don't have no more storage. I don't feel like deleting anything. So, and yes, you're probably, if you go to my school, you're probably like, "Oh, Brandon, you're so cringy." I don't care. Period. Anyways, so yeah, and also and if you go to my school, you're like, "Brianna, you don't have a phone." Yes, I do have a phone. It's just like I'm not allowed to bring it to school. Um, but my sister's using it right now, so I swear I can't even show you. She's using my phone because it's just dead. She's right there. She's using it, but so you see. Welcome to Karina and Brianna's room, and then here's a picture of me and her when we were kids, little kids. So here is where I keep my towels. They're like random towels. Well, me and my sister share a room, by the way. And then here's our backpacks. And then right here is our cabinet. It's like we have a TV, a bunch of things. I have this gumball machine that's like bath bombs instead, and then I have my time, a little piggy bank right there, and my water bottle. And on top of my thing is a visitor's pass to a hospital because my grandma's in the hospital. And then I also have this Chunchies pinky thing, and they call it Chunchies, and they say it looks like me, so because of bangs, and like they say it looks like me, so my grandpa gave it to me, and they're like, "Oh, eat all the Chunchies," blah, blah, blah. So they call me Chunchies. Don't judge, but they do call me Chunchies. And then I have my water bottle. I'm thirsty. I'm gonna have my control, and then I have my regular control for the regular TV. This is for cable. This is for YouTube and Netflix. And yeah, and then I have this like rash cream because I had a rash right here somewhere, and because I was like putting this lotion that was like scented, and it was like really good for my arms. It was good for my face and everything, but it didn't work for my arms, and it was like giving me a rash. So I had to use this. And then I have my cable, my Wi-Fi box. I have my own Wi-Fi box, and me and my sister have our own Wi-Fi box. So yeah. And then right here TV, and then right here is my fish, Charlie. I call him Bubba. I don't know why, but I call him Bubba. I know it's weird, but that's his name. He's over here somewhere. I don't know if you can see him. He's right here. There you go. Right there. And then here's his food. And then I have another one, but it's in the living room. I have another fish, but it's my brother's. Then I have my 3DS. I do film on my laptop, by the way. And yeah. So then I have my desk right here. It has all my perfumes. I have a mirror. I have like random stuff in these two little cabinets. And then I have a candy of this K-pop thing that my sister likes, like and then in this like little drawer right here, I have my lip balm, my highlighter, my 3 beauty blenders. I have one right here, and one right here. So sorry if you hear screaming. My brother's been fighting like 24/7. And here's my chair, and then I have like all my backpack that I go from Mexico. And then here's all my underclothes, and I don't want to show you, but I do keep a stash of Oreos in here because they're birthday cake. Everybody loves these in my family, so I hide them so they won't eat them. I mean, they're mine. They try to steal. And then right here, you can see my balcony from out here, but I don't feel like showing. It was just snowing, bro, and then it dried away. But yeah, and then here's my mirror. It's like for my closet. I'm not gonna show you my closet yet. But then right here, these are my shoes that I always wear, by the way. And then right here is my guinea pig, Lally. She just walked away. Hi, Lallies. Hi, Mamas. It's okay, Mamas. Look, she's right there. I don't know if you can see her. Oh my God, you guys can see her. She's right there. Say hi, Lally. Yeah, she's a baby, so she's like really scared. And her cage is really dirty, guys. I will clean it. I promise. I just don't have enough time, so I'll clean it tomorrow because it's getting late. It's 9:38, and I have to shower and stuff. And I don't feel like doing it because then I'm gonna get tired and I'm not gonna finish it. So I'm gonna clean it tomorrow. I swear to God, like I swear. So then, my legs in my hair, and then the best part of my whole entire room, my bed. And right there on top is a picture of God. Y'all, this bed me and my sister share because we share a room. It's so comfortable. Like I can go to sleep right now, but I don't feel like it. So this thing says good vibes, and like it changes. I don't know if you can see. It says good vibes, and it's blue, and you could change it. Oh, this is my sister's, but we share, of course, cause. And then there's like, we have a white coverage, which was a bad idea, but we didn't get it that dirty, which is good. Because we're kind of dirty, and like, me and my sister, like, we eat chips on the bed. And Mom's like, no, you're not supposed to eat in the room, you have white. I'm like, yikes, I still eat in the room. Yeah, but now it's time to roll off the bed and show you my closet. My closet's kind of small, just saying, to show you. There's a switch to my closet because it's pretty dark in here. JK, it's really big. So this is my side of my clothes. Look at my crop top. I love this crop top. It's so cute. It's like old cars. Yeah, everywhere. And then I have all my sweaters. I have some stupid color shirts, but I don't wear for school. And then here's like my sister's side. I have all my purses over here. I have Lally's food over here, my guinea pig. And then here's my Razor scooter. It's electric. Here's my hoverboard. Here's some rack of shoes, and then I have like some random stuff in there, like my hoverboard charger, my scooter charger, things like that. But yeah, and then one big sneakerhead, guys. You guys don't believe me. I'm a big. I know if you see me at school, you're like, oh, you wear the same shoes every day. Like, excuse me. You're not a sneakerhead. What are you on? No, I look at those are all my shoes that I have right now. But in storage, there's a whole big storage of only all my shoes. I have my Off-Whites, I have my Nike Airs, my Jordans, more Jordans. I have a bunch of Jordans. Like I'm telling you a bunch, but they're all in storage. So like I don't feel like going and just getting like random shoes. So we're just saving because I don't have enough space in this closet, like for my shoes, because we have to share. But I'm so grateful for my room, by the way. I know it sounds like, oh, I'm not grateful, but I am actually really grateful for my room. So, yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Please like, subscribe, and comment down below what you want to see next. Peace.